Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Today's content of our video is about to see the reaction of our four babies with regards to the sound of the whistle. That is strike. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. What are you looking? What are you looking, little one? And Kisses is the one who is so afraid of unfamiliar sound. That's only a whistle? Huh? And here's Strike. Shake, shake. Ate Kisses is afraid of the sound of the whistle, shake. How about you, little one? Shake, shake. He's looking for where's the sound. Where does the sound come from? So brave, shake, shake. Here is Sassy, my ginger for baby. What's that fluffy one? Yeah, yeah. You're not afraid. Etty, my white one, the uncle of Strike and the brother of my deceased. White for baby. This is Healthy, and her sister is Wealth, and that little one a while ago was Strike. And here is George and Jade. So they're not minding. They're not afraid. They're busy looking outside. The two of them are on this chilling place. See how heavy they are? Sassy's looking up. Daddy's looking up. Daddy, what's this, Daddy? That's a whistle. Huh? What's this? Shake, shake. That's a whistle. That's a whistle, shake, shake. That's a whistle, Kisses. You only want to play with the whistle, not listen to the sound? How about the other calico? Kaka! Kaka! You want to hear the sound of the whistle, ka? Kitten! You want to play with a whistle, Kitten? That's a whistle. That's a whistle. That's woman's dad's whistle. Mama Kiss just borrowed it. Huh? Little one. She's playing with the handle of the whistle. Little one. Then, the whistle become the toy. The whistle become the toy for Shake Shake. Hmm? Shake Shake. And Ate Kisses wants to play too. Ate Kisses wants to play too with the whistle. That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Thank you who are watching and subscribing, that you may add up our 23 subscribers and being so kind-hearted to subscribe. Thank you for hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified on our future vlogs. Thank you for making some encouraging comments, and thank you most of all for liking and sharing this video. Thank you to all the precious people all over the world. Healthy is sending wishes of good health. Stripe is sending happiness. Kisses is sending goodwill to all. Thank you. God bless.